Guys, ito na yung ayuda sa atin, guys. Tingnan natin kung anong laman, guys. Pinadala lang to sa sa P-Rider. Ayan, ito pa, guys. O, di ba, guys? Ito na, guys. Ayan, daming balot, guys. Diba guys, ang daming balot, guys. Ayan, guys. Yan pala, guys. Ayan, may konsumo na naman kami, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.